Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by closing every Office app so Repair touches no open files. Next, make a quick backup of documents and templates. This prevents accidental loss. Open Programs and Features or Settings apps, find Microsoft Office and choose Modify or Change. Once there, pick Quick Repair first because it fixes common issues fast without reinstalling. While it runs, watch for progress and note any error codes shown. If Quick Repair reports success, restart Windows and test Word or Excel to confirm corruption is gone. If Quick Repair didn't resolve corruption, choose Online Repair. This reinstalls core Office components and replaces damaged files. Once Online Repair finishes, open a problematic document and use File Open Select File, click the arrow next to Open, and Repair. That recovers many corrupted documents. Also, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/ restore health to fix underlying Windows system files. To finish, reset Office settings if behavior remains odd. Back up the registry, then rename the Office key so Windows recreates default settings. This removes corrupted preferences. If documents still misbehave, create a new Windows user profile and test Office there to isolate profile corruption. Make sure to reinstall any add-ins selectively. Disabled add-ins can reveal conflicts. If nothing works, record exact error messages or codes. Then contact Microsoft support or your IT team for targeted diagnostic steps and potential log collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.